Oh, lovely. I'm sure it was just an oversight on my part.
Probably.
All right, so you could see there was some water damage, and that some of the water leaked into this this little girl here. It's an old washing machine. I really think she filled up with water from leaking down through the ceiling, and she is full of the blackest water you've ever seen.
Oh.
It smells nice too. Ooh, okay. If that's where the water came from, then may not be anything wrong with the washer. I mean, wrong, you know, there's obviously something very wrong with the washer.
Possessed.
Might still do the pumpy thing, so let's see.
Wait. If that door is locked, looks like it.
Yeah, the door is locked.
I doubt anybody was in here.
There's the
Wait,
blackness. My phone shows there's like a mist coming off of it. Check it out. You can see it on the phone, but you can't see it.
No thanks. I don't want to know.
Okay, let's see if it'll work.
Jesus. Oh, is it gonna go into the sink?
Yeah, that's where it goes.
Oh. Oh my god.
The protomolecule. I'm so glad it's going there instead of across the floor.
Oh, the smell! Oh god!
Oh, shoot! Oh, man! Alright, well.
I thought that might happen.
That was enough of that.
Maybe
That's,
we shouldn't be breathing them.
yeah, that's whew. That's steaming. Yeah, that's horrible. And I could see like spirits, evil spirits floating off of there.